Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Chicken Karahi. Heat oil in a karahi and brown chicken on high heat to seal juices. Sauté whole spices briefly, then add tomatoes and simmer until oils separate. Stir in ginger, garlic, and green chilies for heat and aroma. Finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. I keep steps simple so you can cook confidently at home. Measure ingredients before you start and have a karahi or wide pan ready. Use bone-in chicken pieces, chopped tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and whole spices like cumin and coriander. Keep oil hot to brown the chicken quickly and create texture. Adjust salt and chili to taste as the gravy reduces. Garnish with chopped cilantro and a lemon wedge for a balanced, lively finish everyone will enjoy. Start by heating oil and briefly toasting whole spices before adding chicken. Brown the chicken on high heat, then add chopped tomatoes and reduce heat to simmer gently. Stir occasionally as the sauce thickens and oil separates, which signals readiness. Taste and adjust seasoning, then add chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for freshness. Serve hot with naan, rice, or paratha for a comforting, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.